ako bumibili ng rice. Is 400 goro-goro. Oh yeah. they called it, guys, goro-goro o koro-goro? Goro-goro. It's goro-goro. 110 is goro-goro. Hi guys, we're heading to market because today is Thursday. It's market day. Maraming tao doon pag market day, guys. So 2,000 plus na po tayo. Thank you for watching, guys. You know, I'm thankful, appreciate all your comments, like, and please don't forget to subscribe. You know, ay, makakulba man di ini. Maghimo og content. Oh, parang uulan siya, guys. Pag madali kami ni Bibi, pupunta kami sa market. So, maglalakad lang kami. Hello. Maglalakad lang kami, guys. Maglalakad lang kami papunta doon. Malapit lang naman siya. Nasa basta yun na yun. You know, kinapala na yung mukha ko. Hindi maraming nakatingin sa akin. Ay, i-enjoy ko lang to. Pag maglalakad ako dito, na hindi ako ganito, hindi ako magdadala ng selfies. What? Someone's calling me. Yeah? You want to show? Say hi to my channel. Channel?
Your channel?
Yeah.
From
here.
From
my channel in YouTube.
Which channel is that?
YouTube. Yeah. Pinay and Kenya. Just search. So the rain is coming. Yeah.
How is your baby girl?
She's okay.
She's okay. She's looking at me.
Yeah. It's so cold now.
Where is another blanket?
Blanket.
Yeah.
This is not enough.
That is not enough.
It's enough. She wear jackets.
This is light.
This is
She's
light.
putting on a jacket.
Yeah. It's okay. May akong sasabihin, guys. Mamaya na lang maybe sa bahay. Kasi nagmamadali ako. The rain is coming. Cover, baby. Sa mga nagsasabi na yung video ko po, ginagamitan ko po kasi ng dual cam. So ngayon, magsi-single and focused ako sa video. Pag may mga upload po ako na naka-dual cam camera, noon po yung mga shoots
bahala
ko.
kayo dyan,
Okay?
guys. Yung salita ko, nagtuwad
I'm
baliskad na.
walking here
Pala
and
na
people see
marong
me.
grammar. Always naman ako rong grammar.
Let me see my pictures.
Basta maintindihan nyo yun na yun. Ha?
Hello. Yes. So, pupunta ko doon, guys. So, malapit na ako. Malapit na. It's cold day. Ano siya? Ito po yung place dito kung saan kami near nag-stay. So, maraming tao doon ngayon. So, let's see how very gumagamit ako ng 0.6 para makita siya lahat. Kasi mahirapan ako guys pag pag 1 times lang yung gamit ko. Hindi ko kasi makikita yung or your angle niya. Ay, sorry, madami akong sat-sat. Lagi akong lalakad dito. And then, ay, ganda yung dress. So, ano sila ba? Sa ganit ng matingala ba? Sa Bisaya pa. Matingala sila na I'm fine! Yeah, matinga sila ba nga daghan ko. Kana nagamit ako selfie stick. Dito maglalakad lang ako guys. Kasi dito yung Buda station niya. Yeah. I'm fine. They are very so friendly, you know. My friend selling corny. Now they are shocked because I'm vlogging. Because every day I came here, I was just walking without this selfie stick. Ay, gipaningot ko guys. Mura ko gikulbaan. But by the way, sakay sapa. Babak. Not Thailand, Philippines. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Say that I'm a Thailander. No. Ay. Ano sinasako? Kanang magbablogger ka pala guys is. Yung magbablog ka guys is kapalan yung mukha mo. So, nothing else. Come back. Ito yung market nila, guys. Manago. So, pumunta ako doon. Babalik na lang ako. Itutur ko muna kayo, guys. Your avocado is okay. Sell avocado here. How much? Let me check. It's not 20. 20. Oh. Keep it for me. What? Oh, sorry. This okay. These 3. This is. Oh, sorry. She will buy. Just put there. I will come back. Ito po guys ay 20 Kenyan shilling nasa 10 pesos or 8 pesos. So, this is 20. 20. Okay. 30. The big one. This is okay. The big one is not the... okay, this is okay. Okay, keep it this one, 100. I will be back. That's enough. 5. So, I will be back. Okay. So, let's continue. Guys, ay bumili ako ng avocado na 20 Kenyan shilling. So, nasa siya sa 8 pesos. So, dito na tumitingin sila sa akin dahil may so, they are selling also plastic ware. Wait guys, i-front ko na. They are okay. Let's continue. Ay, they are selling nice bags here, by the way. Yes, nice bags. My bag kasi guys is, let me see. This is second hand.
Not second.
Ay, this is new.
Yeah.
I see the price is 400.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I want like this sling bag because my bag is broken. Oh, no. Let me see this brown. I mean this beige. Yeah. This is cute. Let me check inside. Maliit. I mean small. Next time. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So, iikot ko kayo guys. Mamaya bibili ako. Kasi hirap. Yeah. How much? 10. 4? 450. This one? 350. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. So, gipaningot na ko ba? So, ito po ganap dito sa market, guys. Ganito siya. Ano ba may bilhin ko? You have handkerchief? Not that one. The other one. No. The plain. Yeah, the cotton.
Unless I come with you.
Okay. Next time. Okay. Thanks. So, ganito siya guys. Oh. They are selling second hand guys. Yeah, I'm fine. They are selling second hand guys. So, malakas yung second hand nila dito. Mura din. They are selling curtains, blankets. People are looking. Malakas yung second hand guys. Magaganda yung second hand nila dito. Ano pa ba? Namong silingan diri. Naninda. Mamaya. They have sugar cane. itutur ko muna kayo guys sa mamaya ba to? Magbabay ako kasi mahirapan ako magbitbit kasi dito si Bibi eh. Tapos yung isang kamay ko naman ay na I hold the stick. So now I will buy rice. This is even the soup, guys. This is like this. Tacos. Hi. Yes. Buy me rice. Buy rice. This is the last time I bought.
Yeah, this the very one you bought last time.
Okay.
Same similar size.
How much? Not 350. Not 350. One goro. Guys, they called it goro or 110s. 110s is 400 Kenyan shilling or 400 pesos. How many kg is this?
This is 2 kg.
2 kg. Okay. So price here is okay. Give me one tins. So you put it here for me. Okay. I forgot. Sorry?
How did you manage folding it?
Yes guys, you see, ito yung market nila. Ang daming tao ngayon. Dito po ako bumibili ng rice. Is 400 goro. Oh yeah. they called it guys goro o koro. Goro. It's goro. 110 is goro. And this one,
That is one dish. Price is 40 baht.
the sale also like this guys, so it's just small. It's 40 bob or 20 or 18 pesos like that. No, I mean in my yeah. The tomato 10.
That size is 4 and 50 baht. Kenyan shillings.
Yeah. This size guys, so you see, this size is 4 pesos 50 bob or 4 pieces 20 shilling 25 shilling. Daming tao dito ngayon nakatingin. I forgot, I will withdraw first. Let me off first guys because I will withdraw M-Pesa to pay my rice.